Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully discharged battery on the LG K92 5G requires up to 40 minutes to charge from 0 to 50% and up to 104 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The LG K92 5G has a standby time of up to 17 days and a used talk time of up to 17 hours. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar, then select the settings icon. Scroll to and select Battery. Select Battery Usage. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, select Battery Saver, then select Extended or Maximum Power Saving. Select Turn On to confirm. To access more display options, from the settings screen, select Display. To reduce screen brightness, select and drag the brightness slider to the desired brightness setting. To turn off auto brightness, scroll to and select the auto switch. To set a shorter screen timeout, select Screen Timeout, then select the desired option. To turn off live wallpapers, from the settings screen, select Wallpaper and Theme, then navigate to and select the desired option that is not a live wallpaper. To turn off Auto Sync, from the settings screen, scroll to and select Accounts. Select the Auto Sync Account switch to disable Auto Sync. Select Turn Off to confirm. If disabling Auto Sync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. If enabled, select Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services to turn them off. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon, then select Settings. Select Auto Update Apps. Select Don't Auto Update Apps, then select Done. If you're traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the notification bar, then select the airplane mode icon. Select Turn On.